Here's how to make a crochet star keyring. You can use any yarn you like for this. Mine is a multicoloured DK weight yarn with quick colour changes to make a rainbow star. You will also need a crochet hook. I've used a 6mm hook, a smaller hook, one that will fit through your keyring attachment, a keyring attachment, and a large needle for weaving in the ends. Start by making a magic circle. Then secure it by making one chain. Next, make one single crochet stitch into the magic circle. Then make 4 chains. Now make a slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. This is the first point of the star. Now begin a single crochet stitch into the next chain, but do not pull through the last 2 loops. Instead, start a half double crochet into the magic circle. Pull the yarn through 3 loops on the hook to complete the half double crochet, and then complete the single crochet, yarn over and pull through both loops. Make 1 chain, and now we repeat the process again. We make 1 single crochet stitch into the magic circle. This will also bring the first point down. Make 4 chains, slip stitch into the second chain from the hook, begin a single crochet into the next chain, half double crochet into the magic circle, complete the single crochet, 1 chain, and begin point 3 with a single crochet into the magic circle. Four chains, slip stitch, begin the single crochet, half double crochet into the magic circle, complete the single crochet, 1 chain, that's 3 points done, single crochet into the magic circle, 4 chains, slip stitch, begin the single crochet, half double crochet into the circle, complete the single crochet, 1 chain, that's 4 points completed. We're about to begin the last point. Single crochet into the centre. Now this time we're only going to make 3 chains before we switch our hook to one that will fit inside the keyring attachment. That's 1, 2, 3 chains. Swap the big hook for a thinner hook. Insert the hook into the last chain first, and then into the keyring attachment, putting the keyring at the back. Then yarn over and pull through both the keyring attachment and the last chain you made. Now you have 4 chains. You can switch back to the hook you were using before and continue as before with a slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. Begin the single crochet into the 3rd chain, create a half double crochet into the magic circle, complete that single crochet you started before, 1 chain, and we're going to join the final point to the first point with a slip stitch into the first single crochet you made. Almost done. Now I'm going to take the hook out. I'm going to pull on the tail of the magic circle to tighten it right up. It does need to be pulled quite tightly, but be careful you don't snap your yarn. Then I'm going to cut the working yarn, leaving about 10-15 centimetres for weaving in. I'm going to pull that yarn through and thread it onto my large needle. I'm creating an invisible join by passing the yarn through the second stitch away from where I joined the points together. I'm taking the yarn to the back and then I'm weaving it down towards the centre so that I can knot it together with the starting tail. I'm doing a double knot to make sure it's absolutely secure before I weave all the ends in until they disappear. I always try to weave in a few different directions before cutting off any excess yarn. And that's it. Ta-da! I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more from me. Thanks for watching!